I'm here with Olivia in her beautiful kitchen with her little baby, her husband, and her new little baby that's only 5 weeks old. We are getting ready to make cauliflower tacos, and I'm so excited because this dish is quite yummy and it's very versatile. You can use it for tacos, but you can also use it for salad toppers and other things. I've even used it on like stuffed peppers, and you can put it on top of the rice. So I was just admiring Olivia's hair because when I first met you, your hair was quite a bit shorter. What did you do?
I changed
Tell
my
everybody
diet.
that magic of what you
Okay,
did.
so my whole life I had really short hair, like up to here, and then as soon as I changed my whole diet, it grew.
That's amazing, and it's beautiful, thick, and healthy.
It is very thick now. Like it was so thin back then, and
You used to have extensions, and now you
Okay.
don't even have to sell your real stuff. See, I'm pulling it. It's really real hair. So, wow. So eating vegan has many, many benefits.
for your skin and for your
Skin.
hair.
Yeah, skin. So we're going to get started, and I'm so excited to make this recipe. So the recipe calls for some cauliflower. So I'll have you go ahead and put this in the food processor. I'm going to hand it to you, but
Okay.
we'll cut that up. So we've got the cauliflower in the food processor, and then we're going to add our walnuts to it. And these are walnut pieces that we can add in here. You can see I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I'm not even measuring. So we're adding our walnuts, and then the recipe calls for some chili powder. So we're going to put the chili powder in there. And it's also calling for some cumin. So I'm going to put a little bit of cumin in there. Now you want to add some salt. The recipe also calls for some onion. Do you want to go ahead and we'll just rough chop that up. Okay. Do you know how to use one of these? Have you ever used a veggie scraper? You got to do our pieces on occasion.
Okay. Have you ever used a veggie scraper?
Not really.
But I should try it.
It saves your knives, and you have these beautiful Cutco knives, and so it really does save the blade when you can just scrape that up. Okay, and now we've got our garlic. I'm just gonna go ahead. I've got 2 cloves here, and just chop that up, and we're just gonna put that in there. We can redistribute that. You can also mince that in there, would be fine. I don't want to over process this and make a cauliflower butter. What we're doing here is just pulsing it to where it looks like hamburger.
Okay.
Okay, so, or cauliflower rice.
Okay.
So,
I'll do that.
all right, why don't you take the top off, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some tomato paste to this. And you can see that the way it is already. Look at the consistency of that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in that tomato paste. And then we're going to pulse that again. That's good. You don't want to over process it. So let's go ahead and take that out. Awesome. So now we're going to go ahead and put this out on a cookie sheet that's been sprayed. And we have this little bitty pizza one, but that's okay. Whatever you have, we're going to put this right out here. And it's a good texture. You don't want to over process this, as I said. And we're going to spread this out and make sure it's not too thick and on top of each other. We want to spread it out so it'll get nice and brown. Now we're going to place it in the preheated oven for 30 minutes approximately until it's nice and brown. The lettuce, maybe get some.
I kind of cut it wrong. Ah.
Go ahead and
Hey, baby love. You're so cute. She's so quiet.
come
I have a big question for you.
What?
Why do you have... or wait, blurp that out.
I want to blurb that out.
That's fine.
Okay, hold on. I have to think.
No, you don't. You're going to ask me about my skin.
Okay.
Cauliflower on my teeth.
How is your skin so smooth and beautiful?
Wow, what is my secret? Somebody asked me that today. What do you use on your skin? And it's like, I don't use anything, you know, extraordinary. I don't use soap on my face. I use all natural lotion to clean my face and to clean my makeup off. And honestly, it's the food I eat. It's the juices I drink. It's not any,
no processed food.
I don't use any special acid or retinol or
I don't use that either.
anything like that on my skin. Haven't tried that yet, but I might if I need it. But so far, so good. So I think it's dietary.
It is.
So eat vegan. It gives you good skin.
And beautiful hair. And I actually use coconut oil. Is that okay for your skin?
Yeah, coconut oil. It's also good to take off makeup as well.
I use
And
that
it's good for the
every day.
hair and the scalp. I love it. And the skin. And I love to eat it too.
Yeah,
It's
really
supposed
good.
to be really good for your memory. Medium chain fatty acid. Very good.
Since I've been juicing, I have not been craving any sugars. I've just been hungry for healthy food, colorful food, no fattening food, or sugars. Yay! So go vegan!
Little bitty kitchen. Here is the cauliflower taco meat, and it is beautiful. Okay, it's really hot, just coming out of the oven like this. But what we have are all the fixings to go on this, and we can actually just take some of this and put it on our romaine lettuce leaves, like this. Just put it right on there. And then we can get that all fixed up with whatever we want. And we have some tomatoes. And you want to go ahead and add
Cilantro,
and we've got some red onions we can put on there as well.
some cilantro.
This looks amazing.
Yes.
Look
Here's
at
some
that.
olives.
Look at that. Wow. I am really hungry. We've got the olives. Now we can put a little bit of the salsa on there. And we can lay that avocado on top. Or you can smush the avocado up and make like a guacamole with it. It's fine. Yummy, yummy. Yummers. Okay, now we are going to try this amazingness. Do you want to
Beautiful.
try this?
Sure.
This is made with love for you.
Thank you. I feel special.
Isn't that lovely?
So good.
That is lovely. And you can have this, as I said, as a salad topper. This just makes a good kind of ground beef substitute. Yes. I hope you enjoyed our video of our cauliflower